What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our annual Street Kings event at Bradenton Motorsports Park on December 10th. Join the TRC team for an action-packed day of drag racing, roll racing, and a car show. We'll see you out there. Yo, what's up?
Good,
how you doing, Dre?
Chilling.
All right, so we're here with Dre, aka One Stock.
Yeah.
Everybody probably knows this car behind us right here. So last time we saw you, we were out at our TRC Street Kings event at Bradenton. You're out there tearing it up. Your boy actually won one of the classes. Your boy with the V58, yeah, with the Supra. But yeah, man. So it's changed quite a bit since last we saw it, man. Give us a rundown.
All right, the last time you saw it, it was on the G35 1050 with stock sleeves, pistons, rods, basic head, and like full bolt on. So what I did now is we upgraded the pistons to some JEs. We did a sleeve block. Shout out to Ed at FFE. He did the sleeve block. And then now, we actually are running an Exona turbo now, an IMS 1100 kit from iRods. Shout out to Inc. That's Exona 10569S. So I think that's a 72 millimeter, yeah, 7269, comparing to the G35, which is a 68, 62. So it makes probably 200-300 wheel horsepower more than the last time. So it boogies. Actually, it definitely
when I saw that pass last night and I saw the mile an hour, I was like, man, that thing's making so much more jam than last time.
168 is cooking.
So what was the best times you ran, and talk about draggy stuff? I mean, that's how you really dial the car in, you know?
Facts. It's really a street car. Like today is like my first outing at the track. The ET, it wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. Our best ET today was 8.7 at 167, I think. It should be, yeah, but the car bogged almost every pass, but the mile per hour on that Exona picks up for the back off. So that's pretty good. But in the street, it doesn't bog in the street. So in the street, it actually goes around 8.5, 8.4, depending if it could hook. But right now, we had it turned up for the event, so we trap a couple more mile per hour than it usually do in the street. We was hoping for 8.1, 8.2, because the mile per hour is there. It's just that the 60 foot, we got to get it worked out, figure the bogging issue, but we didn't have enough passes to do that, but my tuner got enough logs. So hopefully, next outing, if you guys keep that event, end of the year, right? November, right? December 10th, you definitely going to see me December 10th. No bogging. And we're going for 8.1, 8.2, 100%.
My man, it's coming for everybody.
Yeah, it is. On draggy, as you said, on draggy, we currently have the fastest 60 to 130 and 100 to 150 TTRS in the world, the whole world, not just US. It goes 3.1, 60 to 130, and 3.0, 100 to 150. The fastest one before was 3.2. We had 3.0, so it's pretty good for a one-man built. Shout out to my shop, A to B. It's not no big shop. We just doing what we gotta do. Honest work, and it's working, man.
it, man. You're doing it, man. It's awesome to see you out here.
Facts. We got to do that TRC hit.
I got to go for a ride this thing. I got to, bro. I got to. Last time we didn't get a chance to, it got too late, and we got to do it.
This done. He got the seat in. he borrowed it from his buddy's TTRS to make this happen. But yeah, man, thanks for taking me for a spin, bro.
Good, bro.
So what setting is it on now? Is it on kill mode or what exactly?
Alright, we're gonna start off with map 1. That's probably 8 PSI from the kill.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do a kill.
Okay. Let's do this.
Let me know when you're ready.
Go for it. That's on 8 PSI under the highest setting.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's fun. So that rolling Antilag kicks.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of the guys that I've been in their cars, they use the rolling Antilag stuff, and sometimes it really kicks, and sometimes it doesn't.
It doesn't make the difference.
Yo, that kicks.
Nah, it does.
It kind of makes you hold your breath a little bit on the hit right there, you know? you get that little feeling in your stomach.
Yeah, that shit runs, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That was a 3.7 with me and you.
My man, so 3.7, 60 to 130.
Yeah.
Oh, man, dude, that's fast. With a passenger.
Everything.
I mean, like, all right, so what's this? This is the next setting?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's a f***ing blast.
You feel the boost ramp, right?
Holy dude, that's wild. Is it boost by speed or boost by gear or what?
Boost by gear.
Holy shit. You started in second gear?
Yeah.
Dude, as soon as it hits third and then fourth,
you feel the difference.
Bro, this thing just gets it. God dang. This thing gets my blood pumping in the first thing in the morning, bro. I don't need no coffee. I just got this right here, bro. Dude, this thing's fast. So now it's been 100 and you win a best just recently. So you win 167.
Yeah, 68.
168.
Yeah, that's the best I've done so far.
Yo, that's flying.
Probably go 170 in New York weather, because it was hottish as the day at the track.
Wow, man. And the thing I love the most, man, is that you put in street work with this, street duty, and you go to the track. You're not only about the street. You know, you came to Street Kings event last year. You were just at FL2K. You know, so just all around enjoy this thing, man.
I could drive it to New York right now. It's just the noise. The
for sure. Yeah. Because you got an open downpipe.
Yeah. But AC, we chilling.
Dude, right there, and AC.
AC, we chilling.
Dude, that's wild, dude. I just got to give this thing a massive TRC approved stamp, brother.
Finally got the approved.
Bro, anytime a car gets my heart pumping a little bit and gets that blood flowing, woo.
No.
That's it, man. What do you typically? I see a lot of dig racing you do, right? So do you do digs, rolls, or what do you like to do more?
I like to do digs more only because New York doesn't have the roads.
Oh,
like, I would probably do more rolls if I had the road for it. But like New York, it's mad busy.
I got you.
We barely have enough space for a quarter mile.
It's hard to get the rolls off.
Like if we do rolls, it would be pointless. I would have to do one run, drive probably like 30 minutes just to be able to do the next one.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I love it, dude. We got the AC blasting.
Chilling.
Almost 170 mile an hour street car. I mean, what more could you ask for?
All speakers in too. We could jam some music.
Dude, these little 5-cylinders are so impressive, dude.
Yeah, and it's all boost. No nitrous, no ice tank, no meth. Straight boost. Simple setup.
Wow, brother. Dude, that's wild. So this
probably is do good work. Dude. It ain't much, but honest work.
I mean, honestly, these are pretty simple setups, right? I mean, it's a built motor, what, piston rod deal, and then a bolt-on turbo kit.
Bolt-on turbo kit. The only thing done to the trans is clutches. The head is just springs and retainers, but stock port.
Wow.
So yeah, so I might add nitrous and port the head and do cams. Like that would be like going all out now. But for right now, it's just simple motor build, chilling, enjoying it.
Oh, you're enjoying this thing.
Facts.
Oh my God, bro.
It spins, but it keeps going. That's what I like.
It's like hazing the tire, but it's just those front wheels are just tracking the thing forward, man. All right, boys. He gave me the itch. He gave me the itch. I need to chill before I get the itch to get an Audi.
That's that Dowser power. I'm telling you.
Last time I had that itch was riding with Hank. I need this.
Yeah, everybody needs this.
I need this. And I fought it off. I don't know now, man.
Bro,
this man gonna have me on marketplace or online looking for some Audis, bro.
TTRS, the best bang for the buck. The only thing keeping up with twin turbo V10s and GTRs. Only
100%. Oh man, thank you again, brother.
Appreciate you, bro.
We'll see you guys next time.